Hey everybody, this is Mark and welcome to a completely different video that we have never done before. This is a gaming video. As I said before, I'm not a gamer, but I am a big fan of simulators. I play a lot of them and it's actually quite fun. I thought maybe you guys might like to see something like this as well, where I play a game and you watch. That's the whole point of a gaming videos, right? So just let me know in the comment section if you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, we could do a once a week type of thing where I play simulators. If you're into all that sort of stuff. So this is just a complete test. I have no clue if I'm going to keep doing this or not, so definitely let me know. Your feedback will determine everything about what happens with the series. So without further ado, we're going to be playing American Truck Simulator. I am not too far into the game. I did play quite a bit on the Mac version, but they don't transfer between Mac and PC. So we're not super far in. So let's just go ahead, get started. I don't have my own truck yet, so we're going to have to do a quick job. And price per distance is usually what you want to do. And I want to travel somewhere I have never been before. That way I can unlock a new location. Like, see these big ones, that means I've unlocked. Like these ones I haven't before. I've never been here before. Let's go ahead and take this job. And we will get going here. We're going to be transporting fertilizer. We will be there in 4 hours. So we'll be there at 7 at night. This is a Volvo truck. And it is pretty cool inside. I really like American Truck Simulator because just the details inside are looking so cool. What's going on back there? Let's see. Let's go outside. Oh boy, we got a double trailer right here. That's a lot of fertilizer. I am playing with an Xbox controller. I'm horrible at driving on the keyboard. So that's why I'm using that, and I have quite a few buttons programmed, so like I can be looking anywhere and I press this one button and then it'll go straight to there. But anyway, I'll talk and drive. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. And put her in drive. There we go. And I need to go out that way. So here we go. We have to cut this really wide here. Oh, let's hit that tractor. So like I said, this whole setup is just a test. It is temporary. I do not know if I'm going to keep doing this at all or not. So for that reason, like the audio is probably not that great. I'm just using the microphone in my headset. We did review this headset. But the microphone's not that great. Also, I wanted to record using GeForce Experience, but that did some really weird stuff with my microphone. So I'm using the built-in Windows game recorder. So you know, if we actually start doing this, everything will get better. But just know that this is all temporary. And the one thing I really like about simulators is that I guess you can just be as real-world, precise, and accurate as you want. So like, I can use my turn signals here. You can see that one right there. So I can use these. You have to obey the speed limit. You have to turn on your lights when it's dark, or else you'll get a ticket. And yeah, I'm just a big fan of these things. The thing I really like about Grand Theft Auto is the driving. I love open world driving games. Do not hit that stop sign. Oh, that was really close. Oh, we still hit it. I like open world driving games where I am able to do whatever I want. And that's kind of what I like to do. I do have quite a few simulators installed on my computer. I have American Truck Simulator, obviously. I have Grand Theft Auto, and I just installed LSPDFR. I'm still getting all the mods up and going on that. LSPDFR is working, but I'm just trying to still get all these mods working, like LSPDFR Plus, Computer Plus, Smart Radio, Stockpad, that sort of stuff. I do also have Forza Horizon 4. Just the demo so far. I've not played that yet, so if you want me to play it, let me know. But I'm not really in it for the racing. I am more interested and actually just being able to, you know, drive an open world in like a PC building simulator. So again, if you like these types of videos, if you think that gaming will fit along with our normal tech videos, if you're into simulators, definitely let me know, because I will not know otherwise if you guys are into the same sort of stuff or if you just want to go other places for it. So, we are in Nevada right now. See, whoa, don't go off the road. We're going to Tonopah. Let's see. If I press I on the keyboard, there we go, I can see my cruise control speed. I have a key on my controller that will enable cruise control, and then I can increase the speed up to 70. That way I don't have to keep holding down the gas on this thing, because it takes forever to get up to speed. I just have to cruise control and it automatically gets up there, and it just keeps it at that speed. Like I said, you have to make sure you're not speeding or else you'll get a ticket if you get caught. So right now I'm going 50, it's a 70-mile-an-hour zone, and I just use cruise control to make sure I don't go above it. If you do go down a hill with cruise control, you will go over the speed, so you will have to slow down a little bit. But because these take forever to get up to speed, I just set cruise control, and then just let it get up there, and I can control it from there if I want to. So, like I said, I'm still figuring this out, and obviously I am not a gamer, I'm new to this, so, you know, I may not be the best with commentary, I may not know exactly what to say all the time. I mean, I don't really talk much about gaming, this is kind of all new to me. But the one nice thing about using an Xbox controller is that it has a vibration motor in it, so whenever I go off the road and I hit those bumps, the controller vibrates, which is pretty cool. I'm going to pass you, dude. It's a blind turn. This is incredibly dangerous. Do not do this. You're not even supposed to pass because those are solid lines. But I did it anyway. Oh, 55 zone. So lower my cruise control. And so you have to brake a little bit there too. I'm using the Jake brake right there. There we go. Cruise control at 55. And because I'm going uphill, it's slowing down, but I'm not pressing the gas control. Cruise control's at 55, so it'll try its best to get up there once we get to level ground, which is nice. The thing with American Truck Simulators, I don't know how long. Well, the thing with it is that some trips take a while, like 20 minutes, which is kind of bad because I don't know exactly how long you want me to make these videos. If you get bored with like a half-hour video of me just driving a truck and talking, but there's really not a lot to cut down. Like I said, I'll say this a million times, I'm not a gamer, so I don't really know what I'm doing. You guys probably know way more than I do, so if you have any suggestions for how to edit, or do stuff, or what to say or do, definitely let me know, and of course, let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Because I'm just not sure if, you know, this would actually go with a tech channel. Who knows? You see right there I'm going 57, and you can't even hear the truck at all. So right now it's just coasting, but the only way for me to slow it down is actually put the brake on. That will in turn disable cruise control. There's no one around. Just lay on the gas. Get there quicker. We'll be there in about 3 hours. But don't worry, that's game time, not real time. The max speed on this truck is 85. Supposedly. You can go faster. The gauge just won't change. Throughout my driving, I have really come to like, oh no, that's not good. Whew, barely made that through. Truck, woo! Oh boy, that was close. Throughout my driving experience, I found that I like Volvo the best. Peterbilt's pretty good as well. So, if I buy a truck, it's probably a Volvo. If you guys know anything about mods inside of American Truck Simulator, I did install mods. The only thing is that with your mods that you install, you have to actually pay for them in-game if you want to like drive them. So if you guys know how to like get the mods and be able to also like use them without having to pay in game, definitely let me know, because you know, I only have $30,000 right now, and like I want to be driving all these other vehicles, but I don't have to spend all my game money on there. So if you know anything about that, let me know. I'm also still working on installing all the LSPDFR mods. I followed all the instructions, still said that, you know, you didn't install them right. There's errors, so I don't know. I'm still working on that. But you know, maybe I'll play another video. I'm not really the type into like the shooting games and that sort of stuff, so I like simulators. I like driving a lot. So yeah, if those aren't your type of videos, then well, it's okay. But this is what I like to play. Just so you know, this is on my computer that I built, the latest one, with the 6-core 8700K and the GTX 1080. It's not the most powerful, but it is pretty decent. For most games, it runs it at full frame rate on my monitor. I have a 27-inch Dell monitor that is refreshing at 75 Hz. In every game that I play, runs at 75 frames per second. So yeah, it's enough for what I got. Let's look at this scenery. Whoa, don't go off the road. This is pretty cool. I've been to Nevada a couple times, but more Las Vegas. I haven't really gone this far. There's no one around pushing the gas down. We're just gonna go for it. Whoa, I almost flipped the trailer there. That was crazy. What do we got going on here? Oh, whoa. Oh, look, that flashing inside's really cool. See that? Yeah, but there's the police motorcycle dude, and I thought he was going to get me there. By speeding. Let's put the cruise control to 55. We'll be there in 7 hours and 34 minutes. How is that possible? That's going to be a long drive there. Wow. I swore it said something different before. I swore it was... What are we doing? Why are we going around this way? That is crazy. Yeah, we may not actually be finishing this video. I picked a way too big map for this. So yeah, never mind. We're not going to be finishing this video. I'll catch up with you guys in the end. I'll keep driving. We'll get there eventually. I just don't want to sit here and talk for 7 hours. So I'll see you guys when it's time to make our delivery. Okay, so we are about 20 minutes out, and well, first of all, I recorded this part of the game with talking and everything, but for some reason it didn't actually show up. So I don't really know what happened there. So I'm recording this part right here. But so first of all, when I was watching this back, I noticed I missed my turn, which is why it went from like 2 hours to 8 hours. So that's my bad. But the map should have told us to turn around, because this actually made me really, really late. I was supposed to be here at 2, and it's already 3. As you can see right there, I am almost out of gas because I made a really long route. And then to the right of that is the drowsiness meter, because I've been driving so long. I'm about to fall asleep, so I should have gotten some sleep earlier, but I didn't. We're almost here, finally, only an hour late, and just right straight up ahead. The thing we need to do when we get up there is to just pull up in there, and then we will be able to pick our parking spot. So we have to go ahead and stop right on here, right there, press enter, and we get to pick our parking spot, which is right there. We get more XP the more complicated spot we pick. I am horrible at backing up so far, so, well, that wasn't even an option in this case. So we just have to line up the truck and trailer with the boxes, and that is pretty much it. So, while I do my parking job, let me just talk for a second. So, if you want to see more videos like this, definitely let me know in the comment section below. If you don't want to see it, also let me know. We'll do whatever you guys want. But that's pretty much it for this video. I know this is late, an hour late. That's okay. But thank you so much for watching. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next one.